Hi, I'm Janelle Endres with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Today I would like to introduce you to 1211 Olmstead Boulevard, apartment 403 in Celebration, Florida. This rare, seldom on the market Whistler floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, offers almost 2,000 square feet with spectacular views, and has been meticulously maintained and is likely one of Celebration's best kept secrets. Let's go inside and see. Prestigious, highly desirable, and sought after, the Whistler floor plan is located in Celebration's Artisan Club. Enjoy the extraordinary privacy, spacious layout of the 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo with incomparable vistas that overlook a magnificent lake and conservation area. The home is only one of 16 Whistler units built, is easily accessible to the elevator, and has been recently repainted throughout. Imagine the experience of entertaining guests surrounded by the fully upgraded granite kitchen countertops, upgraded maple wood cabinets, undermount sink, upgraded black appliance package, and upgraded light fixtures, updated window frames, new carpet, tile floors in the family and living room area. The walking trails and short drive to Celebration's downtown shops and restaurants complement the locale. Membership is included in the exclusive Artisan Resort style clubhouse conveniently situated adjacent to the building, and offers frequent member events, a heated lap pool, fitness center, restaurant, and game room. The alluring location provides coveted easy access to Disney theme parks, Orlando International Airport, malls, and Orlando shopping. This condo is aggressively priced, and if you are thinking of buying this wonderful home, call me and I'll show you the best place for snowbirds in Florida. Remember, our VIP buyer guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the purchase of your home within 12 months, we will sell it for free. Also, if you are thinking of selling a home, call me. We guarantee the sale of your home, or we will buy it ourselves. Call me and start packing. Janelle Endres at 727-515-9551.